This is the Boeing BBJ 747SP, the huge and ultra-lavish private jet version of the commercial Boeing 747SP airliner that represents an incredible fusion of commercial reliability and luxury air travel. With amenities such as a private stateroom, conference area, and gold finishes throughout the cabin, this city in the sky boasts one of the biggest cabin areas ever seen on a private jet, putting even the biggest villas to shame. With its sumptuous features and exceptional performance, this colossal aircraft represents the pinnacle of flying in luxury and comfort. Get ready to take your private aviation experience to new heights, because today we're going inside the Boeing BBJ 747SP to talk about everything you need to know about this insane aircraft. Stepping inside, the cabin width of 20 feet or 6.1 meters and height of 8.3 feet or 2.53 meters allow for multiple zones, often including private suites, lounges, meeting rooms, dining areas, and even personal gyms or spas. As part of Boeing's business jet program, it is customized to meet the needs of the world's wealthiest and most influential individuals. So the layout varies in every model. The main deck often houses the principal lounge, which acts as a multifunctional area for relaxing, socializing, and working. Seating is arranged with plush, fully reclining armchairs and sofas, covered in premium leather or fabric upholstery. This area may also include conference tables with executive chairs for in-flight meetings or formal dining. Privacy is maintained through custom dividers, partitions, and shades, enabling passengers to control the ambiance. The master bedroom is typically positioned further aft for maximum privacy and quiet, and includes a king-size bed with premium linens, wardrobes for ample storage, and a private bathroom equipped with a shower, vanity mirror, and luxury amenities. Guest bedrooms are provided with fully reclining seats or convertible beds, ensuring all passengers travel in ultimate comfort. For larger parties, additional bedrooms or resting areas can be customized as needed. The galley is highly sophisticated, equipped to handle everything from gourmet meals to simpler fare. Commercial-grade appliances include convection ovens, microwave ovens, and ample refrigeration for storing fresh ingredients and beverages. Custom cabinetry and high-end finishes ensure the galley integrates seamlessly into the overall design, and ergonomic layouts optimize space for crew members. Connectivity and entertainment options are comprehensive, including high-definition screens with on-demand content and surround sound audio systems. High-speed satellite internet enables passengers to conduct business, stream media, and stay connected with those on the ground. And USB ports and AC outlets are widely available for charging personal devices. Air quality and cabin pressurization are managed through advanced systems that ensure a cabin altitude equivalent to around 6,000 feet or 1,830 meters, even when flying at higher cruising altitudes. HEPA filters ensure fresh air is regularly circulated, eliminating contaminants and keeping the cabin environment healthy and pleasant throughout the flight. Noise levels are minimized through extensive soundproofing and the strategic use of insulation throughout the cabin, creating a serene environment despite the powerful engines. And finally, the lavatories are strategically placed throughout the aircraft to serve passengers efficiently, featuring elegant fixtures and spacious layouts with luxury toiletries and efficient plumbing systems. The master lavatory often includes a shower with high-end fittings, while guest lavatories remain functional yet luxurious. Now let's step into the cockpit. Designed with a focus on pilot comfort, safety, and efficiency, the flight deck is the same you'd find in a commercial Boeing 747SP and largely mirrors that of the original 747-100 and 747-200 models. The cockpit retains the classic wide-body layout seen across the early 747 variants, with a spacious design accommodating two pilots and a flight engineer. This was in line with Boeing's design philosophy at the time, which prioritized clear visibility, ergonomic control placement, and room for crew coordination. The overall dimensions of the cockpit are generous, allowing for easy movement and access to instrumentation, features that remain consistent with the larger 747 models. The primary flight instruments are analog, reflecting the pre-glass cockpit era. Large round dials dominate the layout, providing pilots with critical information such as airspeed, altitude, vertical speed, heading, and attitude. While the cockpit lacks the advanced electronic flight instrument systems that would define later generations of aircraft, the arrangement is logical and intuitive for a seasoned pilot. Notably, the 747SP includes a yoke-style control column, which has become synonymous with Boeing aircraft. The yoke is robust and provides the tactile feedback necessary for precision in manual flying, which was a critical component of ultra-long-range operations during its era. The avionics suite, while advanced for its time, is firmly rooted in the analog and electromechanical technologies of the 1970s. These systems were optimized for long-range navigation, reliability, and redundancy, given the SP's role in intercontinental and polar route operations. The navigation suite includes multiple VOR and ILS receivers, which are essential for precision approaches and en route navigation. The VOR SHA ILS equipment, coupled with the DME, provides comprehensive situational awareness for pilots during all phases of flight. One of the key features of the avionics is its inclusion of inertial navigation systems. The IONS operates independently of ground-based navigation aids, making it indispensable for over-ocean and polar routes where traditional VOR DME coverage is unavailable. Typically, the 747SP is equipped with triple INS units, allowing for redundancy and ensuring high levels of accuracy in navigation. The INS is controlled via a keypad input system located on the flight engineer's panel, which allows the crew to input waypoints and monitor the system's performance. The communication systems are equally robust, including multiple VHF radios and HF radios. HF radios are particularly important for the SP's long-haul mission profile, as they enable communication over vast oceanic and remote regions where VRHF coverage is insufficient. These systems are managed through a straightforward audio control panel, ensuring seamless coordination between pilots and air traffic control. The autopilot system, though not as sophisticated as modern fly-by-wire systems, offers a significant level of automation for its time. It includes features such as altitude hold, heading select, and approach mode for ILS landings. The autopilot is integrated with the INS, allowing the plane to follow program routes with minimal pilot intervention. The absence of a fully integrated FMS means that flight planning and adjustments require more manual input compared to later aircraft. However, the triple INS setup effectively bridges the gap, offering reliable long-distance navigation capabilities that were state-of-the-art at the time. The flight engineer station is a hallmark of the cockpit, located to the right and slightly aft of the captain and first officer. This panel is densely populated with gauges, switches, and indicators, allowing the flight engineer to monitor and manage the engines, fuel systems, hydraulic systems, and electrical systems. Engine parameters such as EGT, N1, N2, and fuel flow are displayed on analog gauges. The fuel management system is particularly complex as it must account for the redistribution of fuel across the vast tanks to maintain proper center of gravity balance during flight. Hydraulic system indicators provide information on pressure and fluid levels, critical for the operation of flight controls, landing gear, and braking systems. The cockpit is designed with extensive redundancy to ensure reliability during long-haul flights. Critical instruments are duplicated or even triplicated, and the avionics systems are designed to function independently of one another when necessary. For example, if one INS unit fails, the other two can continue to provide accurate navigation data. Similarly, the electrical system is divided into multiple independent buses to prevent a single-point failure from disabling the aircraft. For pilots, the 747SP offers a unique flying experience. The cockpit layout, while requiring a higher workload compared to modern glass cockpits, is logically organized and provides all the tools needed for effective flight management. The yoke and rudder pedals deliver a classic mechanical feel, offering direct feedback from the control surfaces. This tactile connection, combined with the SP's lighter weight and increased thrust-to-weight ratio compared to the standard 747, makes the aircraft surprisingly nimble for its size. Many 747SPs have undergone avionics upgrades over the years to remain compliant with modern airspace requirements. Retrofits often include the addition of AFIS displays GPS-based navigation systems, and enhanced autopilot capabilities. While these upgrades significantly improve operational efficiency and safety, they also diminish some of the analog charm that defines the original cockpit experience. Now let's talk about the engine, performance specifications, and how it flies. The Boeing BBJ 747SP is powered by either 4 Pratt & Whitney JT9D7A engines or 4 Rolls-Royce RB211 engines, each producing between 47,000 and 52,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft requires 10,000 feet or 3,050 meters of runway to take off at sea level on a standard day. The engines allow a maximum rate of climb per minute of 2,000 feet per minute or 610 meters, and a maximum service ceiling of 45,000 feet or 13,716 meters. The plane has a maximum speed of Mach 0.92 or 542 knots, a maximum cruise speed of Mach 0.86 or 493 knots, with a maximum range of 6,650 nautical miles, which is 7,650 miles or 12,320 kilometers, which enables it to connect city pairs like New York-Tokyo, London-Sydney, and Los Angeles-Dubai non-stop, catering to international travelers and cargo operators with diverse needs. And finally, the plane has a minimum landing distance of 5,500 feet or 1,675 meters. Now let's talk about prices. When the 747SP entered the market in 1976, it was priced at approximately $23 million. Adjusting for inflation, this amount is equivalent to around $154 million in today's dollars. As of recent data, the average price for a used Boeing 747SP is approximately $10 million, and the charter price is estimated at $30,000 to $50,000 per hour. Naturally, prices will vary depending on availability, fuel prices, ground fees, and more. While the annual fixed cost is estimated at $1 million to $2 million, the average hourly operating cost is estimated at $15,000 to $25,000. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.